The Larson Electronics industrial pad mount transformer offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in indoor, outdoor, and public locations. This industrial transformer features a dual-rated primary voltage of 3-phase 46,000 volt delta and a secondary voltage of 3-phase 13,800 Y and 7968 volt Wye-N. An input voltage switch allows the transformer to be switched between primary voltages. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. An enclosed design caters to installations on concrete pads without protective fencing. The unit has a primary loop feed for single installations and dead front primary connections. This transformer features an automatic action fault pressure device. This system comes with high elbow surge arresters on the primary side. Designed for overvoltage and transient voltage protection, the components prevent damage caused by lightning, internal switching, or voltage surges. This transformer is also equipped with a load break switch. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.